Hello everyone, welcome to part 71 of Laravel 10 series, in which we are first creating the e-commerce admin panel. So we are working on the brands module and we will work on brands roles and permission in this video. So we able to complete the brands add edit, we able to show the brands along with the active inactive status and the delete functionality as well. So now we are going to work on the brands roles and permission, and here you can see the sub admins, and the admin can able to create these sub admins with the roles and permission they can provide to the sub admins. Like for the jonesing, we have given the products view access, view edit and full access we have given to the products. Okay, so the admin have given the full access of products to the jonesing sub admin. Okay, so now we are required to add the brands as well, so that the admin can able to give the access for the brands module as well. Okay, so let's start working for this one. And first of all, we are going to update in roles, update role, update role blade file, and here I'm going to update role. I'm going to open this blade file, update role. Okay, so see, like we have added the cms pages, categories, products. Okay, later on we will make this dynamic as well. Okay, but right now it will be easier for us to just copy paste, and we'll make it for the brand as well. And here we will simply do the brands, and for brands here also we are going to replace it with the brands. Okay, I will make it be in caps, and here also I'm going to copy this one and we'll add it for brands. Okay, and here I'm going to add like brands, and this one products. Here I'm going to select, yeah, here products. Okay, so here I'm going to make it brands as well, and here we are left with this one. So this one we are going to replace with the brands as well. Okay, so now we are going to make changes in the brands function in the brand controller. Okay, and I'm going to open any other, like I'm going to open the category controller here, and here you can see the set admin sub admin permission for categories, and I'm going to copy this one and will paste here, so that it will save our lot of time. Okay, no need to do from the scratch. And here then we are going to make some of the changes, like we are going to set permission for the brands now, and here instead of these categories I'm going to replace it with the brands. Okay, so here it seems to be fine. Brands, and make sure that nothing is left. Brands module count and will roll. Fine brands module, brands view access, edit as full access. So it seems to be fine now. Okay, and this brands module we need to return to the brands blade file. Okay, I'm going to open the brands.blade.php file now, and here I'm going to make the changes here, and I'm going to open the categories file in which we have already done this one. And here like we have given this add brand for the edit and delete access for the full, either for the edit access. Okay, so this one we are going to add it here. Okay, so first I'm going to add it, then we'll replace it with the brand. Okay, so here also I'm going to copy this one and we'll add here as well before this one. Okay, so and here it will come like, and if one more and if will come, must come here, and if, and other than that one more time we are going to add here for this one edit, and again once again I'm going to add here, and if once again, and one more time we are going to add here. Okay, so here also, and if so, now I am going to replace this categories module with the brands module. Okay, I'm going to replace it with the brands module. So now it seems to be fine. Okay, so now I'm going to save it and will refresh it, and here the brands must come. So I'm going to give the permission. First I will give no permission to the John Singh, and now separate window I'm going to open, and I'm going to log in now. Admin, see, John Singh will try to log in now. John at the rate of admin.com, password is 123456. I'm going to click on remember me as well to save the password. So here I see John Singh will try to access the brands, but there is no access. So once he will click on brands, then no restriction must come. And let's see, okay, here is some issue. We need to include the model as well. Okay, so here make sure that we are required to include these model as well. And then I'm going to do, see, auth is also required. Okay, so I'm going to add this use auth as well. And now see it is coming, this feature is restricted for you. So the John Singh not able to open the brand. See the John Singh, see John Singh can't able to open the brands. If it will click on brands, this feature is restricted for you message is coming. Okay, so now the admin is going to give the view access to the John Singh. So now this time, see, subadmin roles updated successfully. So now this time the John Singh must have the view of the brands. So I'm going to click on brands once again, and we'll see. Yes, now it is opening for the John Singh. John Singh able to see the brands module here, can able to see the brands, but still he can't able to edit this brand. He can't make them active, inactive. He can't delete. He can't add the brand as well. Okay, so I'm going to give the edit access. See, admin is going to give the edit access to this John Singh subadmin. Okay, so now the John Singh must able to see, must able to edit, must able to active, inactive, and can add the brand as well. Let's see. Yes, the John Singh can able to make the brands active or inactive, and also can edit the brand as well, and also can add the brand as well. But still he can't able to delete the brand. If he want to delete the brand, he can't able to do that. Okay, so for that we are going to add the full access. We're going to add the full access functionality for the John Singh. And here if we refresh, and can able to see the John Singh is now able to delete the brands as well. Okay, so now this is the complete brands module for you. Okay, and in the next video we are going to show these brands under products. Okay, products that we are going to do, we are going to show these brands under add edit product form. Here we are going to show the brands drop down as well after select category, so that the client or admin can associate every product to some brand. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.